Welcome back to Carsy Hub, where we break down premium vehicles with clarity and calm. The 2026 Volvo XC60 starts at approximately $48,000 and delivers up to 455 horsepower without sacrificing the sure-footed comfort, quiet ride, and everyday versatility this model has become known for. But is it truly engineered for those who value long-distance ease, day-to-day dependability, commanding road presence, and that discreet touch of timeless luxury? Let's find out together. Under the hood, the standard XC60B5 powertrain features a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, supported by a responsive mild hybrid system. Together, they provide 247 horsepower and 266 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. Power delivery is smooth and unobtrusive, ideal for drivers who appreciate quiet, refined acceleration over raw athleticism. For those seeking more capability, the T8 plug-in hybrid offers a notable upgrade. With a combined 455 horsepower and 523 lb-ft of torque, it adds strong electric-only range, up to 35 miles, making daily commutes more efficient without compromising on high-end performance. At the top, the Polestar-engineered trim adds track-tuned elements like Öhlins adjustable dampers and upgraded Akebano brakes, optimizing body control while preserving overall ride composure. On the road, the XC60 maintains one of the more balanced and forgiving rides in the compact luxury SUV class. It absorbs most road imperfections quietly and confidently, a direct result of Volvo's solid chassis tuning, standard AWD, and well-weighted suspension. Whether navigating rural backroads or long interstate drives, the cabin remains quiet and undisturbed, supporting fatigue-free travel. The T8's hybrid system adds a layer of versatility that's especially noticeable in urban stop-and-go traffic, where electric-only cruising contributes to both economy and serenity. Real-world efficiency ranges from the mid-20s in mpg for the B5 to over 60 mpg for the plug-in T8 in mixed driving, depending on usage patterns. Inside the cabin, there's a clear Scandinavian focus on calm sophistication and usability. Seating feels supportive, especially in the front row, with generous bolstering and ergonomics suited for extended travel. Getting in and out is easy, thanks to wide door openings and a reasonably tall ride height. Material quality stands out, even among competitors, with real wood inlays, brushed metal accents, and soft-touch details that elevate the experience. Cabin visibility is excellent, aided by large side mirrors and a thoughtful cabin design that minimizes blind spots. An updated 11.2-inch vertical touchscreen anchors the center stack. While its placement may not appeal to all, the system is intuitive, quick to respond, and features native Google integration, including Google Maps and Assistant, welcome tools for those seeking ease without unnecessary complication. When it comes to safety and technology, the XC60 remains a benchmark in its segment. Volvo continues to integrate its driver assistance suite seamlessly, including lane keeping aid, cross-traffic alert with auto brake, blind spot mitigation, and adaptive cruise control. The systems are predictably tuned and avoid the aggressive alerts or overreactions found in some competitors. Drivers can count on tech that supports rather than distracts, with efficient voice commands and well-placed physical controls that reduce the need to fumble through screens. A few subtle but noteworthy updates grace the 2026 model year. New alloy wheel options, refreshed paint choices, including a deep metallic mulberry hue, and a revised grille design bring a light modern touch without chasing trends. Inside, features like the revised center console, newly integrated wireless phone charging, and repositioned cup holders show that attention to detail still matters. Exclusive touches in higher trims, like soft Napa leather upholstery, stitched dashboard panels, and signature Polestar badging in performance variants, speak to owners who value craftsmanship over flash. Stick around as we discuss whether this vehicle truly lives up to its promise of high-end comfort and effortless long-distance capability, especially when compared to rivals like the Audi Q5, a frequent competitor in this high-end category, designed for drivers who expect refined engineering and mature sophistication. The 2026 Volvo XC60 doesn't shout for attention, and it doesn't have to. It focuses on delivering reliable performance, exceptional build quality, and relaxed luxury in equal measure. Whether you're a seasoned commuter, road trip regular, or simply someone who values enduring design and everyday ease, the XC60 remains a serious contender in today's crowd of luxury SUVs. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like and subscribe for more calm, clear vehicle overviews designed for discerning drivers.